I made about $1,700 today trading the NASDAQ, and these are the trade setups that we took. I'm going to break down how we took a 21-point stop and then ended up catching the entire leg. Here is the breakdown. So entering into the market today, we basically were, sitting around all-time highs once again, but we are in a consolidation pattern. So we can see we're consolidating here, and we're leaving London low and we're leaving a London high. I don't like trading when we are in between those zones. So if we delete price here, we can see that this market is just in a straight sideways consolidation. The best thing you can do in this situation is let price just play out. And that's exactly what we end up doing. Price plays out and then displaces to the downside. That's when we get interested in our continuation model here. So our first trade idea is a pullback into the 15-minute sell side imbalance, and we look to go short off here, targeting the full 4-hour gap fill down here where I have the magnet. Now, this trade gets stopped for 21 points. Okay, so we end up taking a 21-point stop, but then we get a manipulation leg back up into an old 1-minute fair value gap. Okay, rejects from that zone. And then we get an inverse and we take the trade again with full conviction for our draws on liquidity, which today for me was lower. So we get the manipulation, we get the 1-minute inverse, we take the inverse trade here, stops are really tight at 14 points, and we end up catching the about 60 something plus points out full right down here at about 199 on the NASDAQ, which ended up netting me $1,700 today.